Do you know what kind of meat is in your cat's food?
When the ingredients in your cat's food contain words like animal, meat, or poultry, we think that that's a good thing because our cats are carnivores, right?
Well, according to AFCO, these ingredients could actually mean any animal or animal part, including
Roadkill,
euthanized animals,
or even dying, diseased, disabled, and dead livestock.
So get with the day-to-day is make sure that the specific animal protein is listed on your cat's food.
Yeah, this way you can ensure that they're eating what you think they're eating. I'm Jae.
I'm Adrienne.
And we're the two crazy cat ladies.